Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, May 29, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, May 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasa para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 29, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasa para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, May 29, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos. Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 9.5 million pesos for May 29, 2024 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, May 29, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.